on YouTube. Well, this property today, what we're going to be doing is he's got a lead water pipe. So we're going to do a lead water pipe replacement. This is his new water meter. That was an old stopcock, so we know he's got a new supply up to his boundary. We're going to pick it up on the other side of the fence here, put some new plastic mdpe pipe in. We're going to cut along there, bring the new pipe along here to replace his old lead pipe. We're going to go through the wall and we're going to go behind his washing machine. Washing machine's behind there. Then we're going to, I put this manhole in a year or so ago, but because of the yard, you can see it's all subsided and it's hollow underneath, and it's cracking his concrete. So what we're going to do is put a new pipe, because it goes to clear here, a new plastic pipe in here. I'm going to put a new manhole in there. I want to find a good bit of pipe which I know is here, and I want to connect onto that. So that's going to be all his drainage system, and then we're going to block pave all his yard. So it's quite a big job to do. Obviously he's spending a little bit of money on his house, so he wants it nice, so he's got us in to improve what he's got in his yard. So I'll be back shortly. Cut. We're going to come along here to there, to the water meter. A bit more progress. We're obviously on our way with the water pipe. There is the drain. This drain goes from there through the public sewer. We believe it's collapsed about there, so we're going to make a connection as close as we can there, and that is our cut for the water. It's 900 deep. It's being nicely dug. Obviously we're going to bury underneath the found because we can't go through the wall because we won't have the cover. The old water pipe is just in there. It's only about 300 deep, so I'm surprised that hasn't frozen and burst. But it's still intact, but that'll stay on until the customer gets the new mdpe pipe in. But yep, that is it. Lovely trench that. Dug it myself. So we're tunneling underneath to get the new water in. I've been working on the inside. So yeah, so this is where the water comes in. Where the old lead pipe comes in, that's what we're replacing with a new one here. This prize bar is what we're trying to find on the outside. Then we'll come in there. Duct, ready for water pipe to go in. Hope you can see, should be able to. Yeah, that our duct's going to go there with the new water. It'll come up and go over there. That's so it meets the regulations nicely. Water in, ready for the inspector. 750 deep into a bend with a rubber on coming up inside the floor, which we'll show you later on. We're going to dig this part out after it's inspected, and we're going to find the meter here and we're going to connect the pipe onto it. We've got the water in, we're just going to start reducing it now. Get it all down so we'll put some hardcore in and a bit of prep work. That's my connection made. I've put the pipe as close onto the boundary as we can get it. The wide junction, we're going to have to put an echo drain along here. This is because when you run water from the property to the public highway, you need to put an echo drain in to meet the regulations. So that's what the Y is for. Obviously, to come around the old manhole, we're going to demolish that, and then we're going to pick that other manhole up in a moment. Pipe in, gravelled up. You can see a bit going on under there, pipe into the manhole. Another job out the way. That's the old lead pipe. That's what most people drink out of. Now this one's got a blue one. Reduced, ready for hardcore. Oh, nice. We'll get our hardcore in. We're finished height. It's going to be the bottom of the step. That's going to be our finished height. Ideally, it should be 1.5 there, which is too coarse on the old type bricks. So them bricks are nearly 85mm, so it's going to be about 120 down. It should be 150 ideally, but what stopped me from doing that is his drain coming out. His drain's too high. So you can see the old paving height, that's floor height. So we're going to be cutting it out here, so we're going to improving it. It's going to be a better job. Over here, obviously his path ran up. That was his height of his path, you know, and I'm surprised he hasn't getting damp in the house. As you can see, it's too high. So we're going to take it down to there and improve it. We can't go any lower. It's the best we can do on these old houses. We're going to set the pin curbs in the echo. Pin curbs in the echo along here. Obviously, the echo's going to drain into there. That sump. We've got all the stone in, the limestone, all up our height. A little bit of sand just to set our screeds tomorrow. And we're getting there. We've got the echo in and the outlet into the drain. Got some blocks down. We're coming along this edge for our straight edge because the wall's straight. We know it's straight. Along the front, it's not so straight. It's just slightly running out. So because of that, because the footpath adjacent to the drive is running out, we put a timber in to make it straight, and then we'll do a header course with a cut on. Makes it nice and neat. Done. New fence up. Echo drain into the sewer. Lovely job. Full new drain in. New water pipe. See you on the next one.